Okay, this is session number 2 of our professional development of the Smart Notebook program. So far, we have come up with the common understandings of the features that entail with the Smart Notebook. So today, we're going to be working on creating an activity for your grade level.
Okay.
So what are you working on currently in 3rd grade?
We're still doing vertebrates, invertebrates, and learned and instinct behaviors.
Okay. So what kind of activity did you notice from the first session that you would like to do?
I liked the vortex where they had to sort out the different titles and go into the correct categories.
Okay. All right. So the first thing you're going to do is over there on the left-hand side where it has the picture frame. You see it's on the page and then the picture frame there. Yep, on the left-hand side. Click on the picture frame.
So what
click on that.
To make the
category? And then at the top you can search vortex.
Oh, okay. See, I didn't even know where that was.
Yeah.
Vortex. And click search.
And then when you go into the interactive multimedia tab,
there's 12 vortex. Okay, so then you select.
I think they're all basically just colored, so you can just choose any of those.
They're all the same?
Yes. So you want to right click on it once and drag it over. Or you can do that and click the insert in notebook.
Where will that insert? Right there? Okay. Now, how do I close?
Just kind of click over on the side and it'll go away. Okay, so you want to go to edit at the top. So your vortex 1 label is like your vertebrates, and your vortex 2 would be invertebrates.
So I need to list all my vertebrates on this side and invertebrates on this one.
You can do that, or you can insert pictures, just whatever you'd like to do.
Okay, I'll do just some basic animals.
Okay.
Birds, dog. Go click down. No, you have to click enter. Nope. How many you can do as many?
Yes, you can do as many as you need to.
Let me see, what else can I put? What's missing? Fish, shark.
Alright, so right there at the right hand corner it says rotate. If you want them to go around and around, which some of the kids like, you can check that. Yeah, and go up to OK. There at the left hand side.
Oh, yeah.
So it spins. And so it.
Then you try it, shell. Nope. And it pulls in. Okay.
The kids really seem to enjoy it when it's spinning like that.
Yeah, I like that. And if they get it wrong, it tells them.
Yeah.
Cool. They will like that. So we can actually play these games tomorrow.
Yeah.
Now, how do I save this so I can bring it up tomorrow?
Okay, so you go to Save As. File first.
File, save as. And name it.
Yeah.
Vortex. Vertebrates.
And it's in an activities folder already, so you're set.
Okay. Okay, because I put the little slash in it. I know.
Yeah.
It's very picky. There we go. I'll just put a space. Okay.
All right.
Got it. Now what?
One thing I would suggest, just to make it differentiated instruction, and some of the kids that have trouble reading, I would add in maybe some pictures. And so
Okay.
if you want to
Let
do
me-
that, I can show you how to do
yeah,
that.
Show me how to do
Okay.
pictures.
You would go.
Can I edit the same one?
You
or-
can. You can edit
Okay,
the
so
same one.
if I wanted to go back to that one, do I close this out?
No, it's
Nope.
just right there, and
Okay.
so you can just click edit up there if
Okay.
you wanted to change it,
So how do I?
or you can even
Import.
clone the page or clone it, and then just make it on the next one and just make pictures.
So I have
Yeah.
two
Yeah.
for my different groups.
Mhm.
Okay.
So go up to the paper, click on that, and then you see the arrow up at the top,
Yeah.
and we would clone
Clone
page. Yeah. So there you have the same thing.
Same thing. Okay.
And then you
so
can go in and edit.
now, so I can bring in a
Now we're going to
picture.
add pictures. So go to the
picture?
pictures. And all you do is type in birds, and you'd find the
Okay,
picture, and we'll drag it in.
So search.
Yep.
And
Pictures.
then okay.
So whichever one,
I'll just do this one. So how do I drag it?
you just click on it. Let's
Right
see.
click or
Yeah.
do you do
Or
the
left
arrow?
click. Or you could say insert in a notebook right there. Good. All right.
How do I know it's there?
Now, you could
Oh.
take it, and put it over that spot right there. You probably need to make it smaller, so right click on it. Oops, sorry, left click. And then, you remember how to do that?
Yep.
All right, and then take it over label 1, where it says birds there.
Take it on the label. Or
In the box there. And it should turn, erase the word bird,
Oh, okay. Let me take it
and
out
then,
and drag it in.
there you go.
Oh. Now you highlight it. Let me see if I can
Erase,
remember. Erase that. Go to picture and dog. Search pictures.
Yeah.
Oops. Now I'm getting it. Lizard. Picture.
Go hit search.
See, I got an iguana over there. Was that lizard? Okay.
You can do iguana. Would that be the same?
Yeah, it would. Then I've got it here, which I can replace that with something else.
Hello. Make
that
sure
too big?
it's make sure it turns yellow there. Okay.
Okay, I see. Did that, the rest of them,
I believe so. Looks like a nice shark.
yes. I like that one.
Oh, we did have iguana at the bottom.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can always change that to a different type of lizard, another mammal. Let me do a mammal of some sort. Let me do beaver. These are some that we haven't talked about in class. Let's see if they'll know the difference.
You guys have been going over that for a while. You're getting ready to review for a
Right,
test,
we've
right?
got a test
So-
coming up, and this way they have to know the difference in a vertebrate and invertebrate. and how to categorize them. So I think
They're gonna love this. They're gonna come to school tomorrow and be like,
yes.
Miss Stivers, you got us doing technology.
Okay, let's see. Where's a good human? Let me just put boy.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah. Boy or girl, either one. Or kid. Okay, there we go. It's
Yeah,
close
that
enough.
works.
It's kind of blurry, boy, but that's okay. I can change it later. Nope. I like the pictures. I think they, like I said, for my group that can't
Mhm.
quite read, they love that. Okay. You just keep
Alright.
going, or you want to
Um,
show me something else?
You're good. Just click
Good?
okay. Then we can just test it out just to see if the animals
Okay.
work. Because I want to make sure. Okay.
Now, how do
Yeah.
you do the?
You would drag them to the bottom,
Okay.
and the way that you save it when you exit out of there, if you leave them at the bottom, that's the way it'll pop up
Okay.
whenever. You
So
see
once I do the invertebrates, like I mix them all up,
Mhm.
and then it right now it's got a mixture of words and.
Yeah, because you have your words on one
So
side.
let's see if they were invertebrate. It won't go. I don't have it. It's still in edit mode. Is that what it is?
Maybe so.
So what? How do I?
Go to edit here, and okay.
Did I click OK or not?
We may have not clicked OK. Let me see.
See, it's still in a changing.
Mhm.
What did I do?
Go back to edit again, and then drag them where you think where they go, like all of the pictures again.
Oh, okay. So I just gotta fix them to where I want them.
Yeah.
Missing one.
The shark there at the bottom.
It's camouflage. Now,
Alright.
okay.
Press that and see. Okay. Click reset at the top. It's not doing it like it did the words.
Mm-mm.
That.
It's going
I wonder if it's because we
Has
have
it
both
mixed?
words and pictures. Yeah.
in. So I probably need to fix it, don't I?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go ahead and do this one. Pictures. Mollusk.
I'll be honest, I didn't know what a mollusk was.
Do something else.
So
for
I've learned
snail.
something new today
Yes,
myself.
Good. I'm gonna put slug instead of snail because there's a little difference.
Oh, that's a cute slug.
Yes. Ah. Nope. Picture. Does that look more like a snake? Gotta make sure that one's close, I guess.
Yeah, that looks like a worm.
Shell. Oh, crab's a good one. I need to put that one in instead
Mhm.
of. Crabs are good. So they may not know that shell. I may have to change that one to crab.
pro now.
I'm getting good at this now. Uh-oh, okay, so if there's no pictures, it will... what does
Try
that
to put
mean?
the word together and see.
Okay,
Maybe if it's just one word.
maybe.
I don't know.
No, wait, something happened.
Cool. Instead of having to click on search every time, you can just hit enter once you've typed in the name. That way you won't have to go back to your mouse every single
Now,
time
do
to click
what now?
search. Type in like spider up there at the top.
Okay. So just gonna push enter?
Yeah, after you click spider. Yeah.
Okay. Pictures, view. Alright, it's not turning on.
Make it a little bit smaller. There you go.
We try 2 words. I know it's 1 word. I'll do crab.
Alright, so move the beaver
Man.
over to,
The beaver.
yeah, make sure like each one of the pictures has a label. If it's highlighted yellow, it should be good.
Okay. Make sure these all. Okay.
Yes. Alright.
Now, do I move them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe.
Now let's see if it'll take it.
Dog.
Why does it not want to do it?
Maybe let's get it right in it. Was it because we used we didn't save it?
Oh, we have it on there. It's saved.
Maybe if we close it and open it?
Go to the picture again. We're going to search vortex again and see if there's a vortex for pictures. Because that may be what we're doing wrong.
Just vortex only?
Yeah.
Or do you put it for pictures?
Go into that and see if there's an
Sort.
option for sort
Images.
image. There we go.
So can I,
You can pull that up there and just move your
Clone it.
images to there.
so how do I get it on there?
Right click or use the arrow. Yep, insert to
Insert
notebook. That's what we did wrong. Okay.
Now, how do I get
Now
my
go back
pictures?
to edit. Now if you will take your pictures, should be able to go to your page.
Over here?
Yep, the page on the left. Yep. And go to
This
that.
one? No.
Yep.
Did it erase them all?
Did it erase. Go hit your back button.
Back, this
Remember
one?
what? Nope.
This one?
Yep. There we go.
There they are.
Okay, so make a new page. Up at the top, you remember how to make a new page?
This one? This one?
Yep.
Add a page.
There we go.
Okay.
Now we're going to take the vortex for the images. So go back and search that. Vortex for image.
This one.
So you insert that.
And where do I put
Insert
it?
a
In the
notebook.
notebook?
Yep. So we're going to drag over pictures. So we've hit our 20-minute limit here with our session, but we
Okay.
see what we did wrong, so we're going to go back and fix that. And so you'll have a nice little activity to do with your class tomorrow.
Yay, thank you.
So did you enjoy the learning about the Smart
Yes,
Notebook?
because it was very helpful. I needed
All right.
this. Thank
Okay.
you.
Oh, you're welcome.